Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Nothing Phone 4a Pro, and let me share with you how to enable the Google backup on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings. And before we will proceed, make sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required. You can use mobile data, but to be honest, I highly recommend using Wi-Fi because of this whole backup session and the additional charges that might appear if you'll use mobile data. So Wi-Fi, and now we can scroll down to the bottom to find system. Now let's tap on backup. And we will be immediately transferred to the sign in section. If not, just tap on turn on, that will appear on the screen. So now let's tap on next and tap on add account. Make sure that you've got the internet connection again, kind reminder. So here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it. Okay, and tap on next. So right here we need to enter the password. So simply do it and tap on next. Here we need to decide who's going to use this device, so just choose the option and tap on next. Here we've got Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And now we can decide what kind of data we'd like to back up, so photos and videos or other device data or both. It's up to you. You can freely change and decide. So just mark the option and then tap on confirm. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device, and as a backup account. You can also tap on other device data here, and you can check the backup details, what has already been backed up. You can also check how much space you've got left. You can manage the storage, so for example remove some unnecessary files, and under it we've got the advanced options, and I highly recommend to keep this option turned off so you can avoid some additional charges. So to finish everything, simply tap on backup now here, and of course confirm everything with your screen lock, but you're done. Your device is now backing up the data. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.